Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Crispy Crunchy Cooking. So today we are here with another mouth-watering dish, and the name is potato taco. These are the Mexican taco but with an Indian flavor and Indian touch. So you will find the potato very crispy and crunchy, and this time we got a little bit late in uploading the video, so I got many comments from the subscriber that where have you gone, where are your videos. So I'm sorry for that. In future I will be very regular. So let's see the video and tell about us in the comment section how you find it. तो हम आपको इंग्रेडिएंट्स बता देते हैं. हमने लिए हैं these are boiled potatoes, wheat flour. We'll make a fine dough out of it. This is dry fenugreek, onion, small chopped onion. Then these are chopped tomatoes, oregano, mixed herb and sauce. So first of all we will make a fine dough out of it. We'll put a pinch of salt, and by adding little bit of water we'll make a fine dough out of it. So friends, we have added a pinch of salt and we have added some water, and we'll make a fine dough out of it.
A few inches later.
So now we will peel the skin of these potatoes one by one. We will mash these potatoes. So we will mash them properly like this. We'll add some finely chopped tomatoes. Then these are onions, dry fenugreek, and now we'll add some spices, salt according to your taste, then oregano, then we'll add a bit of chili flakes. This is mixed herb, sorry, this is mixed herb, and we'll also add some chili flakes. You can put green chilies also, but I have put some chili flakes. And now I'll give it a good mix. So our stuffing is ready for the taco, and now we will roll out the outer part. We will roll out the dough. Now I've taken this is a mix of tomato ketchup and pizza sauce. So we will apply all over it, and we'll put some mozzarella cheese all over, and we'll put this mixture at one side only, at one side of it, okay? And now we will turn it like this. So we'll make rest of them like this only. We will roll out another one. So now we will apply some sauce, and then we'll add some mozzarella cheese, and then we'll put this mixture at one side of it so that we can fold it properly, so that it can be folded properly, okay? So now just like this, okay? So we'll make rest of them like this only.
5 minutes later.
So friends, see, our tacos are ready. We'll just roast them now. We'll apply a little bit of oil in it, not much, And we'll put the flame a little bit in a low medium flame, and now we will apply some oil over here also. So when it will get red from one side, we will turn it, and I'll show you.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We have turned it, and see, such a beautiful color it has came. And now we'll take it down, and we'll keep like this for some time, so that it may get crisp from that side also. So see, it's crisp from this also, and now we'll take it out and make the rest of it like this only. And we'll apply some oil over it, and we'll make it crisp from both the sides like we have shown you earlier.
A few inches later.
Now we will turn it. Sauce over here, and now we will dip in this crunchy save. Wow, see what a wonderful look. See what a wonderful look it is. It is looking so beautiful. We'll make all like this only. See, one more. We'll apply some sauce over here. And we'll dip it in this. So it's looking wonderful, and it will give an awesome taste. So like this we'll prepare all these. Very crispy potato tacos are ready, and they are looking amazing. Just see these small ones. We cut them into half, and now I'll like to take a bite. Wow, delicious. They are looking absolutely delicious. And do tell us in our comment that how you find it. And next time we'll bring some more amazing videos. Up till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.